What if the secret to living 7 years longer wasn't hidden in a cutting-edge laboratory or in the latest pharmaceutical breakthrough, but right in front of us, in a single vitamin your body might already be missing? Imagine if, instead of searching for elusive miracle cures or investing in expensive treatments, the answer to extending your life and aging more gracefully was as simple as giving your body what it truly needs. In the relentless quest for longer, healthier lives, scientists have made some surprising discoveries. Beneath the surface of modern medicine and flashy wellness trends, a humble yet powerful nutrient has emerged as a crucial player in our longevity. This isn't just another supplement in a long list of health fads. In fact, recent research reveals that this one specific vitamin, often overlooked and underestimated, could be the biological key to slowing aging, reducing your risk of disease, and potentially adding up to 7 extra years to your lifespan. It's not costly, it's not glamorous, and yet it quietly orchestrates some of the most vital processes in your body, repairing cells, fortifying your immune system, and even protecting your DNA from the relentless march of time. So what is this vitamin that could be the missing link between you and a longer, healthier life? Let's take a closer look. The vitamin in question is vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. But calling it just a vitamin doesn't do it justice. Vitamin D is technically a hormone, and it influences over 2,000 genes within the human body. Most people think of vitamin D only in relation to bone health, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Emerging scientific evidence now connects vitamin D with cardiovascular protection, immune regulation, and cognitive resilience. Even more compelling, it appears to play a direct role in preserving the length of your telomeres, those protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes that are considered one of the most accurate markers of biological aging. A major 2016 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found a striking correlation. Individuals with optimal vitamin D levels experienced significantly lower mortality rates from all causes, especially heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. In other words, having enough vitamin D in your system could be one of the most effective ways to stack the odds in your favor for a longer, healthier life. Yet, here's the paradox. Despite its incredible importance, vitamin D deficiency is shockingly widespread. According to the World Health Organization, over 1 billion people globally do not have enough vitamin D in their bodies. That's 1 in every 7 people. The reasons are clear. Modern lifestyles keep us indoors for much of the day. Sunscreen blocks the skin's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight, and our diets often lack natural sources of this essential nutrient. As a result, most people are far below the optimal range for vitamin D, even if they feel perfectly healthy. The consequences? This silent deficiency could be quietly shaving years off your life without you ever realizing it. But how exactly does vitamin D extend your life and protect your health? The answer lies in its multifaceted role within the body. First, vitamin D is a powerful reducer of chronic inflammation, which is now recognized as one of the primary drivers of aging and many chronic diseases. By keeping inflammation in check, vitamin D helps your body maintain balance and resilience over time. Second, vitamin D strengthens your immune system, making it more effective at fighting off infections and even reducing the risk of certain cancers. It also plays a crucial role in protecting heart function by reducing arterial stiffness and helping to regulate blood pressure. Your brain, too, benefits from vitamin D as it supports cognitive function and may help delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of cognitive decline. Perhaps most fascinating of all, vitamin D helps preserve the length of your telomeres. Telomeres act as protective shields for your DNA, and as you age, they naturally shorten, a process associated with aging and increased risk of disease. Studies show that people with higher vitamin D levels tend to have longer telomeres, suggesting a slower biological aging process and a greater potential for a long, healthy life. What do the experts say? Endocrinologist Dr. Naomi Greer puts it simply, vitamin D is not just about bones. It's involved in almost every major function of the body. Longevity, disease prevention, even mood regulation. It's all connected. Longevity researcher Dr. Elias Romano adds, we're finding that those with consistently higher vitamin D levels tend to age slower biologically. It's like an internal life extension protocol built into our DNA. But here's where things get even more interesting. Not all vitamin D is created equal. The form you take, the timing, and even what you combine it with can dramatically impact its effectiveness. Some forms are better absorbed by the body than others, and certain nutrients, like magnesium and healthy fats, can help unlock its full potential. Even the time of day you get your sun exposure or take your supplement can make a difference. So what's the optimal dosage, source, and timing to get the maximum benefit? The answer isn't one size fits all. Factors like your age, skin color, geographic location, and lifestyle all play a role in determining your needs. Experts recommend getting your vitamin D levels checked with a simple blood test. For most adults, optimal blood levels fall between 30 and 50 nanograms per milliliter, but some people may need more to reach those targets, especially during the winter months or if they spend most of their time indoors. You can boost your vitamin D naturally by spending time in the sun, eating foods rich in the nutrient, like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products, and, if necessary, taking a high-quality supplement. But remember, balance is key. Too much vitamin D can be harmful, so it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes. In a world obsessed with futuristic anti-aging strategies, it turns out that one of the most powerful tools for longevity might be something as simple and accessible as a vitamin hiding in your everyday routine. Vitamin D isn't just another health trend. It's biological armor, protecting you from the forces of time, disease, and decay. So ask yourself, are you giving your body the one thing it needs not just to live longer, but to live better? Sometimes the future of health doesn't require a leap into the unknown. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as a little sunshine.